Okay, look what we got, buddy. Yeah. Grandma got us an Easter basket. Oh. Look. Look at all the goodies. Look at all the goodies. It's your first Easter. Grandma loves you and misses you. Lots and lots. Hugs and kisses to my baby boy. Love Grandma. See the bunny? Yeah. Look what else we got. Look at this little guy.
Ooh.
Little bunny. Want to see the bunny? Want the bunny? And some music. Good stuff. Uh-oh. Look at this fun guy. That'll be fun on the way home, huh? Oh, you like that? Good stuff for the baby. What a great first Easter basket. You want to say thank you to Grandma? You going to say thank you to Grandma? Thank you, Grandma. Thank you. We love you.